Good afternoon. I got a really pretty 2017 Subaru Outback. Comes with a really nice like olive green color. It is the premium, so it's got some options. I'll go over that in a second when we go inside. But as for the condition of the vehicle, it is in good shape. It's got some Goodyear all-season tires with lots of life on them. Condition of the paint is very good as well. Now let's go have a look at the interior. It does have these like wind, I don't know what these are called, wind visors. Have a look in the driver's seat. It does have the Subaru EyeSight, so it's got like adaptive cruise and all those kind of features. I'll go over that in a second. Let me turn down this music. It does have the all-season floor mats, cloth seats. I believe they're heated. Alright, so let's have a look over here. Looks like we got power liftgate, blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, and collision alert. That comes with the Subaru EyeSight, along with adaptive cruise control, which is very convenient. It's got paddle shifters, Bluetooth, stereo controls from the steering wheel. This one's got 89,000 miles on it. Does have a big screen. Let's throw it in reverse. We got the backup cam. Like I said, I got a heated seat on right now. It's both sides. Climate control. It is automatic. Pop that open, you get some USB inputs, AUX inputs. Alrighty, let's check out the rest of the car. Let's open the tailgate. It does have a power lift, I don't know what we call that, tailgate, lift gate, trunk lid. Look at the back seats. Again, it has those rubber floor mats, which is really nice. Got a rubber floor mat back here and a net, privacy cover. It's really nice. Let's close that up. Again, these tires are pretty darn new. Pretty standard. I believe this is a 4-cylinder engine. So yeah, it's definitely a really pretty color if you like this kind of olive green. So yeah, thanks for watching the video. Take care.